My Verbatim journey today was really inspiring.
I had no idea what Verbatim actually was. I hadn't looked at it. I was just like, this sounds really relevant and exciting. So I came along and it was the best training I've ever been part of and the best day.
The whole idea of hearing the care experienced young people's stories and being able to kind of perform that was really fascinating.
I've worked with the Verbatim Formula crew in the past, and so I was struck by the amazing energy that it generates, and as Sylvain said, the emotional affect it generates in an audience.
I was really bowled over by hearing and speaking the voices of the care experienced young people. And even though in my own work with Lickety Spit, I'm very aware of how underestimated young people and children are, I was really struck by the eloquence and articulacy of these care experienced young people. I found it very visceral, powerful, moving and humbling.
But something else I realised today, for the first time, I hadn't tried the silent disco version of the project, and actually participating in that and hearing everyone talk at the same time was really interesting. This idea of an embodied experience and a shared experience. So relationships, the interpersonal relationships which were generated, there was a very nice connection between the themes talked about and the experience of doing that.
We were talking a lot about, like connecting with humanity or re-engaging with the humanity of the people who are involved around children. I felt like this whole process was just like a really incredible but also really simple way of doing that.
And I'm very excited by what young people can get from hearing their words voiced back to them and realising just how powerful their words are and how able they are to contribute and be seen and heard and valued and participate.
My available agency is, I suppose, in the sense that I work with primary school children, high school children on an individual basis. They've got many opinions on the services in which they are participating in and helping them express their views about things that affect them within the services that they're taking part in.
My available agency in these themes is, the first thing which comes to mind is that I'm working on a project with Articulate Trust where we're exploring Instagram as a potential platform for reaching people who can't come face-to-face to meetings. So my available agency would be about making that project happen. If you want to find out more about it, go onto Articulate's website and have a look at the residency section for the Instagram project.
From this, I've been really sort of energised and excited about what we could do with our group, so with our Seen and Heard Fife group, so our children who have got care experience in Fife. We recently had an engagement exhibition, and now I think this could be the way that we take it forward to really amplifying their voices and also building up their confidence with owning their stories and the power in their stories. There's lots of different things that came up from this in terms of both the Verbatim work and also the 3D augmented reality stuff that goes with that. I think it's such an amazing way of picking up with the children's desire to have fun with that.
I already record children and talk to children a lot and transcribe what children say, but I'm very interested in getting children to interview each other and seeing what it's like for children hearing adults voicing back what they've said, and also for parents, because I think very often parents don't get an opportunity to sort of really be seen and heard.
My available agency is to take the tools and the different ideas and sort of passion that people have brought today from the Verbatim project and to sort of find a way of putting it into our project and bringing those words to life and creating change for the children we work with.
There's something very powerful about this, about creating a space where people can actually really kind of put in a nutshell how they feel about something, or, what they think. And I just think this is such a powerful tool for doing it, and I thought the whole ethos around it was great.